welcome back to another video. So today I'm just going to do quite a simple, quite plain Valentine set. So I'm going to be using, I've got quite a few colours out. There's Barbie pink, there's a lavender, there's a blue, and there's two different pink ones, and I've got like a green and a yellow, but I'll show you them when I get to them. What have I forgot to do, guys? I forgot to base coat. So I'm going to give these nails a quick base coat, get this cured in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then we'll get on with it. Right, for my base colour I'm using Yayoge. It's 001, and this is from the, can you see, Barbie pink series, and it's just a very, very pale pink. So I'm going to be putting this on all of the nails, see what it's like with one coat, and if it needs another coat I'll give it a second coat off camera. And again, I'll cure these in the lamp for 30 seconds. Very, very pale pink. One of my favourite pinks, this, and it's nearly run out. I think we might get away with one coat of this, I think. Right, that's them had two coats. I'm just going to give them a matte top coat. I'm using Princess Nails by Diana's matte top coat because I do want the finish on these nails to be matte, and I'm going to be painting on them as well, and it's so much easier to paint on a matte surface. This is my favourite matte top coat. I have kind of wrecked it. It's not too bad, it's just not as nice as it was when I got it. I had a light, I bought myself a new light ages ago to film with, and I pulled out this matte top coat to use, and I didn't know at the time, but the new light that I'd bought to film with was curing the matte top coat as I had it open under the light, so it kind of did something to it, and it's never been the same. It's still alright, it's just, yeah, it's just not as it was. Right, I'm going to put this in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then we'll get some colour on these nails. Right guys, that's that being cured. I've put on my palette here a blue, a purple and a pink, and they are all Yayoge colours. The blue is number 1 from the Ocean Blue series. The pink is again from the Barbie series, but this one is 005. And the purple is 001, and that's from the Lavender Purple series. Now, I want to do on the pointer finger, the ring finger and the pinky. I'm in two minds whether to do a slice or whether to do a V. I think I'm just going to do a slice. I want a slice. Different colour on each nail. Start with the purple, I think. So I'll show you doing this pinky, and I'll probably speed the other two up because I'm trying to keep my videos quite short. So I want the slice to kind of come from the edge of the nail there right up to the tip.
Everything you're fighting for.
Right, I'm just going to get them cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right guys, that's them cured. Oh, got a hair. What I've also added to my palette here is a green and a yellow. I don't know if I'm going to use both of them, but I definitely need one of them. And they are out of this gel polish set that I got, Paramis 017 and 013. There should be a swatch video out on them. They are really, really good gel polishes. I love them. I love the colours in that kit as well. I'm just going to wipe the tacky layer off this gel polish just because I want to paint on this ring finger, but I don't want to be sticking to these nails. Right, I'm going to attempt something I've never done before. On this ring finger, I just want to paint loads of little, I'm going to use these different colours and do some little different coloured lips. Kissy, kissy lips. So, here goes. I think we'll start with the pink. Right guys, that's them finished. What do you think? What do you think of my lips? Oh, let me unlock my screen. I really like the colours. I really do. Right, I'm going to give these another matte top coat. And I think on these nails that are bare, I'm just going to put one of these little gems on each one. So yeah, I'm just going to get these quickly matte top coated. I'm using my Princess Nails by Diana's matte top coat. This matte top coat cures in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. I think I'm just going to stick the gems into this matte top coat. I say it every time. If you're sticking gems on your own nails, you'd have to put them on with some gem glue. Or yeah, just normal glue. But as it's only on tips, I always just cure them into the top coat. So yeah, I'm just going to stick these gems into this top coat, because half the time I'm that tight, I pick them off afterwards. Even my cheap plastic gems, I will pick them off and reuse them. These tips will go straight in the bin though, so it kind of makes sense to me to pick the gems back off. Or am I just extra tight? Oh, I should have my gem picker really for these. That landed perfect. See, we can do the same with this one. Yeah, I think it just adds a little bit, because they are a bit plain looking, aren't they? If you know me, you know I like my nails quite simple and plain anyway. But I think these were just looking a bit too plain. Right, I'm going to get them cured in the lamp for 30 seconds and that's them finished. Nice, quick, easy, simple set. I think anybody could do for Valentine's Day. Yeah, let's get them cured. What I'm quickly going to do, guys, I've decided I want to keep these lips glossy because I quite like them in glossy. rather than matte. So I'm just going to use a glossy top coat, because at the minute they've just got the tacky layer on from the gel polish. So if you had these on your natural nails, you'd have fluff sticking to them. So I'm just going to quickly go over all these lips with a glossy top coat. I was going to matte them out like the other nails. I actually forgot to matte them out, and I've just took these out of the lamp and thought, I quite like the lips shiny actually. So this has happened by accident. I did intend on matte top coating them, same as the others, but yeah, we're going glossy lips. Right, I'm just going to get them cured now, 30 seconds, and that's them finished. Right guys, that's them finished. What do you think? Do you think with or without the gems? I think with the gems, or maybe just one gem. I did think about just putting one on the pinky, or just one on there. But you know me, as always, I'm a fusspot. I and ah over the teeny weeniest little details, but I really like them. I think they're rather cute. Very simplistic, very subtle, but I love these glossy lips. I do like those glossy lips. But yeah, that's my first Valentine's set. Cute. Right guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I would love for you to subscribe. Hit that little bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.